Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 3, Lesson 18. Friends, I'm so super excited because I'm going over to my cousin's house after school. And I brought them the coolest gift. Are you ready? I bought all of my little cousins a piggy bank and I brought some super shiny gold coins. Now I just hope that I have enough because I didn't really count, I just threw them all in the bag. So I hope that you can help me out because our learning goal for today says I can compare using more than or the same as. So I wonder if I'm going to have more or the same as coins and piggy banks. Oh, I hope so. Okay, so let me get the piggy banks out. There they are. Oh, they're so cute. And let me jingle those coins out of my wallet. Oh, there they are. Perfect. Now, when I compare something, I want to see how they're the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pass out all of the coins and see if I have the same amount. Here we go. You get one, and you. I have 2 coins so far, 2 banks. 3 coins are 3 banks. 4 coins, 4 banks, and oh no! Do I have the same as a number of pigs that I do coins? No. Hello, this little piggy bank down here is all by himself. That means I have more piggies than I have coins. Oh goodness, I should really be careful when I'm putting things in my bag that I count them out. Hey, but you did a nice job comparing. Let's try another one. All right, here I have a whole bunch of shirts and ties. Now, the thing about comparing is that you can't, when you have like a piece of paper where you're comparing, you can't get them up and get them moving like I did with the coins. What did I say? What was a good strategy to compare? What could you use? Yeah, you could draw a connecting line with your pencil, right? All right, so using our good connecting line, let's see if we have the same as number or if we have more than one of the items. All right, we're going to use our lines to connect. So let's start by connecting this one. And then, ooh, we'll do that big long one. That one connects. This one connects. And this one connects. And finally, last one. Perfect. All right. It looks like we have what, friends? Yeah, we have the same number of ties as we do shirts. That's perfect. We could say the number of shirts is the same as the number of ties. I wouldn't say more than to compare. Why not? You're right, because they're even. They have the same number. So I don't have more of one object than another one. Perfect. All right, before we draw our connect line this time, I want you to make a prediction. Just looking real quickly, do you think we're going to have more than one object than the other or the same as? Oh, really? Why would you say that? Oh, did you sneak ahead and count? All right, let's find out. I'm going to draw my connecting line there, and here, there. Oh, and there. Okay, I did all my connecting lines. So what's our answer, friends? Yes, we do have more nets than soccer balls. Yes, perfect. Excellent. How many more nets do we have than soccer balls? Excellent. 2. 1, 2. That's because I had 2 more nets than I do soccer balls. I know that because I just counted carefully. Fantastic. Ooh, what about these pretty princess dresses and hangers? What do you think? Are we going to have more dresses than hangers? Or are we going to have the same number? This one's kind of trickier. Why? Yeah, you probably really do have to count because there's so many of them and they're kind of small. So it's kind of hard to see pretty quickly. I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to make a good guess. So I'm going to go with more hangers. It looks like there's a lot of hangers. All right, let's see if I'm right. I'm going to draw my good connecting lines. So far, so good. Draw that. Oh, my prediction's changing a little bit. Is yours? Oh, I thought I'd have more hangers. Oh, friends, do I have more hangers than dresses? No, I have the same number of hangers as I do dresses. Perfect job. You are so good at comparing. All right, which is awesome because our learning goal says I can compare using more than or the same as. We want to make sure that we're looking at the different objects and then using our good describing words to explain what's left over when we're comparing, okay? All right, so now it's your turn. For seesaw, I want you to go ahead and tell me there's one of these items, there's more than the other. I want you to tell me the good sentence saying there are blank more than blank. All right, good luck, friends.